Sennheiser isn't the brand you think of when you think affordability, but the company is banking on needing a mid-range pair of headphones to fill a gap in the market. So do the new Sennheiser Accentum true wireless earbuds slash features to cut costs, or are they poised to become the sleeper hit of the year?
I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and in this hands-on review, I spent a week with these earbuds, so I'll tell you how they sound, what the noise cancelling is like, and what's been refreshed when it comes to fit, feel, and comfort. I'll assess the pros and the cons and let you know if I think I can recommend these earbuds for you.
What's in the box? As you'd expect with wireless earbuds, you're just getting a tiny package here. You'll get the charging case with the earbuds themselves tucked inside, plus 4 sets of different sized ear tips and a USB-C charging cable, plus reading material. Despite the attractive new branding, the Sennheiser Accentum true wireless earbuds are kind of the middle child in Sennheiser's lineup. It is more affordable than Sennheiser's new Momentum 4 and Momentum Sport products, while slightly more expensive than the budget tier CX and CX Plus models.
Out of curiosity, I checked online to see if accentum was a real word, and it is. It's Latin for signal or tone.
Accentum true wireless charging case is small and sleek and noticeably different from Momentum, which has a fabric wrap. But what makes the Accentum stand out is the design of the earbuds themselves. Sennheiser put considerable effort into sculpting the design, and I use that word deliberately. These seem to be almost carved delicately from a soft piece of material, and they look almost pebble-like with absolutely no edges, corners, or seams to irritate your ears. Clearly, Sennheiser made these buds with comfort and fit in mind, and while I'm on the topic, that perfectly smooth feel does make them a little difficult to grip and a touch fiddly, which I feel like I can probably adapt to. These are soft, silky, and scream comfort. They also feel pretty light. Right out of the box, these earbuds are very comfortable to wear. They may be a touch on the larger side for my lady ears, but thanks to that ultra smooth pebble design, they actually nestled into my ear concha quite well. In longer listening sessions, I often forgot I was wearing them because they were so comfy. When I looked at my video, it looks like these stick out a lot, and I guess they do, but they actually feel incredibly secure.
Getting these earbuds set up and paired to your phone, tablet, or laptop is actually super easy. The first time you use them, they should arrive in pairing mode, and you can just open up your phone or device's Bluetooth menu and tap to connect instantly, as I did. One of the key selling features of the Accentum true wireless earbuds is ANC, or active noise cancelling. Sennheiser actually offers what's called hybrid ANC, which means rather than using microphones only on the outside or the inside of the earbuds, hybrid ANC uses microphones on both the outside and the inside to listen for ambient noises and then to cancel them out.
You can either activate it by triple tapping the left earbud or toggling the setting in the Sennheiser Smart Control app.
Active noise cancellation is an outstanding feature in headphones since it can help block out additional noise from bleeding in and disturbing your listening. ANC uses a digital signal to listen for and then cancel out noise that might otherwise get into your ears. I prefer to test ANC by just activating the setting and not having any music playing or any audio at all, actually, since I feel that this is the best way to determine how effective ANC can be. Now, naturally, if you have some audio playing, this can go a long way to improving the noise cancelling since it gives you something else to focus on.
I found the ANC in the Sennheiser Accentum is extremely impressive. When I activated it with nothing playing to mask its effectiveness, it was able to eliminate almost every external sound and create a true blanket of silence, which I really appreciated when I was trying to write. Inside the app, there are a couple different settings for the ANC, including on and off, and something called anti-wind, which apparently tweaks this setting if you're in windier conditions. Overall, I was absolutely impressed with the noise cancellation since it blocks out, I'd say, 95 to 99% of all distractions, and if you're looking to eliminate distractions, these would be an ideal pair of earbuds.
The other key feature of these earbuds is going to be the overall sound quality. Now, if your shopping or shortlist includes Sennheiser, you no doubt know what the brand is capable of, and you've probably allocated the budget to spend. Sennheiser audio products, in my opinion, are excellent quality, generally speaking, so I'm expecting the same from these truly wireless earbuds, and spoiler alert, I wasn't disappointed.
While a lot of headphones and earbuds will sound just fine, when you get a chance to wear a pair that double down on sound quality and aren't afraid to charge you for it, it's noticeable. The sound in these is so much richer than average. I can hear a lot of intricacies in the music, and the bass was so good that it felt a mile deep. Even the higher end of the audio spectrum was delicate and light, with no hint of raspy or tinny, which you do often hear on cheaper buds.
In short, these earbuds are going to blow you away with their sound quality, whether you like hip hop, the classics, symphony, or country.
Both earbuds have touch-sensitive surfaces and offer numerous other controls depending on how many times you tap which earbud. I found the controls worked well and were very responsive. When it comes to battery life, you can expect around 8 hours of music playback, or 6 hours if you're using ANC. A fully charged case should be able to juice up the earbuds a further 20 hours.
While this is fine, it is quite average when it comes to battery life. I would be hoping a company like Sennheiser could do a bit better than average, but in this case, I guess they were more focused on the design and the size of the buds and less on their longevity trade-offs.
It takes around 90 minutes to charge the case via USB-C, and the charging case does support Qi wireless charging if you don't mind slightly reduced charging speeds.
Overall, Sennheiser Accentum True Wireless earbuds certainly don't feel like a budget or even a mid-range pair of earbuds. The design, fit, and comfort alone scream premium to me. Let's go over the pros and the cons so you can see how they might play out for you.
On the pro side, these are gorgeous earbuds that are comfortable to wear, like I said. The package is super small and highly portable for even the tiniest pockets. The quality of the ANC and the overall audio is worth every penny. Charging time is decently quick, and with Qi wireless charging, it gives you options too.
So what are the downsides? I think the biggest flaw in this earbud package is the average battery life. I guess complaining about something that's average might seem kind of like nitpicking, but it's just that I think Sennheiser could really do better. Now, with that said, you're still getting lots of life in these, so for all but the heaviest listeners, these will probably hold up just fine. In short, if you are looking for a product that isn't leaning towards a certain ecosystem like Apple for its AirPods Pro, the Accentum is a terrific platform agnostic option that deserves a spot on your shortlist and in your shopping cart, if I'm being honest. Your ears are going to love how comfortable they feel, and the audio is top notch. I can absolutely recommend Sennheiser Accentum True Wireless earbuds for you, and these may be my own personal new go-to pair. They sell for about $199 US or $279 Canadian, and I think they are absolutely worth the price. You can get them from electronics retailers like Best Buy and Amazon, and if you want to check out the other Sennheiser earbuds I mentioned, you can see those reviews right now.